Yo, it's me, the Blob channel. Before we get started, I wanna know your name. Connor? That is such a dumb name. Anyways, welcome to the most awesome program on Windows. Hello again. This is the new video that was just released yesterday. Sure. What does Petey do in his spare time? Sell pizzas. What? It's true. Whoa. Cool. The Earth is round. Who would thought? Okay, this will only take a second. Psych. Studies show that if you are using this program, you may like being annoyed. Good. I like that. I've got a little baby, but she's out of sight. I talk to her across the telephone. I've never seen my honey, but she's mine alright. So take my tip and leave this gal alone. Every single morning you will hear me yell, "Hey Central, fix me up along the line." He connects me with my honey, then I ring the bell, and this is what I say to baby mine. New game started. Let's see what you got. No, you beat me. New game started. Let's see what you got. You should use the browser with E on it. You can download me now from mave.com/BlobBUDDY. Bye bye.